That's an important phrase, the Age of Absolutism. These monarchs ruled absolutely, with a complete sense of divine entitlement. That's how the world worked, and almost everyone accepted it. And that's why the overthrow of the French monarchy 2 generations later in 1789 would prove to be such a shock. Louis XIV worked hard to become the quintessential model for absolutism. He took the identity of the Sun King as his logo. He made a decision to move his palace headquarters out of Paris and into the countryside, taking his father's hunting lodge and chateau, located 25 miles southwest of Paris, and turning it into the world's most impressive palace complex. Versailles is huge, but it's officially and charmingly still called a chateau, the French term for country house. It's anything but a hunting lodge today or a country house. It contains over 700 rooms, and more than 20,000 nobles could be housed in the palace complex. The name comes from the Old French word Versailles, which means place where the weeds have been pulled up. It's fun, isn't it? From this spot, Louis XIV ruled with complete power, absolutely, if you will, for 55 years. To get into the mood for this topic, let's set the atmosphere by listening to some music that would have gone into a French royal ear. You might recognize this. It was used as a theme song for a BBC television series called Masterpiece Theatre. As distinctive as this rondo by French composer Jean-Joseph Mouret might sound to our ears, it's actually typical of the French Baroque rondo. A rondo is a very catchy piece. It's structured by a distinctive opening that returns several times with contrasting episodes in between. Grand, sweeping, and formal, even today, this rondo has become a popular wedding processional, and it would have sounded just right back then when it was played at Versailles, for it expressed in sound the absolute power of the monarch.